Hi guys, I've been asked many a times how can one find out whether Nifty on a particular day is going to be trending or it's going to be range bound. So I thought why not make a video and show you a very simple trick to find the same. Okay? So for this particular exercise, what we would need would be a Nifty chart on a 15-minute time frame. Once you guys do that, all I want you to do is take the horizontal line and mark the closing price of the first 15-minute candle of the 28th. Alright? Once you do that, we mark closing price of the first 15-minute candle of the 27th. Remember, we are trying to find out whether 29th is going to be a trend day or a range bound day. Okay, so 29th has not yet happened till now. Okay, so we just would like to know whether it would be a good day to trade or not. Okay, so once you've done that, next what I want you to do is mark the high of 28th. Let me change the color and to red, and then we mark the low of the 28th. Okay, so at the end of it we'll have four lines, one marking the closing price of the first 15-minute candle of the 28th, the second marking the closing price of the first 15-minute candle of the 27th, third marking the high of the 28th, fourth marking the low of the 28th. Okay, so we are sorted here as of. So the next step is to wait and see where exactly Nifty opens on the 29th. Okay, the important point here being the open, where exactly it opens. Now, if Nifty opens above or below these four lines, let's say Nifty opens here or Nifty opens here, okay, above these four lines or below these four lines, then we'll consider that day being a trending day. Alright, so we can consider Nifty is going to be trending on that particular day. Okay, remember, Nifty's got to open above or below these four lines. Only then we consider it a trending day. It can open on top here, and then can close down here. No worries. But the important point is where it opens. It's opening above these four lines. So it will be considered as a trending day. It can even open down here and after 15 minutes close within this four lines. That's still fine. All we are looking at the opening, where it opens. Okay, so if Nifty opens below these four lines, over here, somewhere here, or opens somewhere here above all these four lines, we'll consider those days as a trending day. Okay, so I hope you guys have no doubts regarding this. Okay, now if Nifty opens within these four lines, it can be here, it can be here, it can be here, okay, anywhere within these four lines of Nifty opens, that day will be considered a range bound day. So when I say range bound, I basically mean that Nifty will most probably be within a range in that day. We don't expect massive moves, all right, for that day. Okay, and in a trending day we expect huge moves, decent moves, if not huge, decent moves. Okay, so this is how we would try to evaluate and try to take an educated guess whether Nifty could be range bound or trending on any particular day. Okay, so let's see what happens next. So this is the 28th. We marked all our four lines on the 28th and we're waiting for the opening on the 29th. 29 opens, Nifty opens over here. As you guys can see, Nifty opens over here, okay, and the opening is 15,010. It's way above all these four lines. So we would consider Nifty to be trending for that particular. Okay, and now how we take a trade, on what basis we take a trade for that particular day, is for another video altogether. Okay, if some of you guys are interested, drop me a line, and if I have more than 1,500 views, then I'll make the next video in this series to let you know how exactly we can take a trade, under what conditions. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, and if you guys can have a look, we did make a pretty decent run on the 29th. Nifty opened at 15,010. I think so. She dropped down all the way nearly 200 points. So she gave us a very good opportunity to make some decent bucks over here. Okay, so I hope this helps some of you in trying to judge whether Nifty is trending or range bound. All right. So would love to hear from you guys. Take care. Cheers.